Hey guys, please like and subscribe and share the video. I'm at the desert looking for money so I can fix up my new vehicle. Let me pause it and I'll be back. Okay guys, we're back and we're about to go buy the truck. I don't know if I can get it all built with 70 something diamonds and $4,000. I'm not using the other amount of money because I have some planned for that. Right now I ain't gonna go for the motor or nothing. I'm just gonna go right to suspension. We want to widen out the axle width. Let me move y'all over. I'm trying to keep it small, but keep the axle width out. I'll be back when I get more money. Okay, I'm back, and now let's fix up this vehicle's engine. But right now, we're about to go change the color next after we fix up the engine. If you hear any noise, because I'm chewing gum. Okay, I'm gonna find the one that actually like matches with it. This is like the best overall color. And this is pretty much it. But after we do the customization on it, that looks not the best. That kind of looks cool. That looks better. Not the best, but it looks better. Okay, guys, we're about to drive it. Okay, we're back on. We're playing with people. The first truck name I see, shout out to him. I don't even know if he watches my YouTube, but shout out to him. Oh shoot. I didn't know I ran over him. That was just weird. It's not the best climber, but it ain't the baddest. Honestly, oh gosh, it's not the good climber. It's not gonna get up this. When this reason I don't like the wrenches too much. Like they're good to have in some situations, but not like this. Told you when to go up, I'm just gonna start. Peace. Please like and subscribe and share the video.